what the best day to drive is. I'm sure everybody has a different opinion on this, what the best day to drive is, whether it's, the weekends, during the week, during the day, in the afternoons, at night. I've been doing this for a very long time, almost 12 years. And I know what I think, and I know what my weekly and daily numbers tell me. And I'm curious, what other people think, from, newbies, people just starting out driving Uber and Lyft, to people who have been doing it for a long time. Drop your comments below and let me know what you think and what your experience has been. But, and I think this is going to blow people's mind when I tell you this, but I really think the best days to drive are Mondays and Tuesdays. Sometimes Wednesdays are really good. Surprisingly, unless you want to drive in the evenings and late into the nights, Fridays aren't all that good, in my opinion. The problem that I have with driving late on Fridays and Saturdays is you tend to pick up the drunks. I don't know about the rest of you. I tend to do this. I kind of split my days Monday through Friday, and I do Saturday also, but lots of times I end up staying out all day long on a Saturday. But I like to get out here early on weekdays, start anywhere from, sometimes it depends on what time I wake up, but usually I start not super early, let's just say 6 o'clock on average, 6:30, and I'll drive until 10:30, 11:30, and I'll go home, eat lunch, or go run errands, do whatever. If I stay out in then, hang on, a ride. Okay, so I did that ride. It was a Lyft ride. Wasn't bad. But we were talking about what days were best to come out and do Uber and Lyft, and I was talking about that I thought that Mondays and Tuesdays and even Wednesdays are really good days, which they are. I tend to see more airport rides, especially earlier in the morning. You tend to see more airport rides, so that's one thing to keep in mind if you're looking to, when you create your schedule. Hang on one second. If you're looking to create your schedule, keep in mind, if you're near airports, you want to look for those business travelers, and lots of those business travelers, they like to travel on Mondays and Tuesdays. Wednesdays, I believe, on average, is the cheapest day to fly, so I feel like you get a lot more personal flights on Wednesdays, and all the rest of the days are just hit and miss. So keep that in mind. Early mornings, Mondays and Tuesdays, tend to be good if you are near an airport. I'm lucky, I'm near 3. So yeah, Mondays and Tuesdays, those are really, really good days. Right now is the middle of winter, so it's super cold. Nobody's really going anywhere. The people that are traveling are either business travelers, or they're people trying to get away, maybe go down to the islands or South Florida or something. But even South Florida is cold right now, so not a lot going on. You just get, your daily travelers going to and from work, to and from school, stuff like that. Moving on to, let's say, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Out of all those days, I really kind of think that, Saturdays are probably the best, especially when there's, especially when it's a time of year when stuff is going on. Summertime, you get a lot of people coming in for tourist stuff, weddings, touring DC, touring Baltimore, touring Annapolis, wherever. You get a lot of weddings in Annapolis and down in DC. So Saturdays are good for that during the spring and summer and fall. Like I said, it's the middle of winter. Here it is, the first week of February. And, it's not so busy. But Thursdays let's talk about Thursdays for a minute. I really like Thursdays. Thursdays are kind of the new Fridays ever since COVID. It's one of those things a lot of people will work from home on Fridays, or they just take Friday off. So Thursdays tend to be really good days. You get people, I tend to see people going to the airport sometimes on Thursdays that were here in DC all week long for business, and they're flying home on Thursday morning, that kind of thing. Thursday evenings, I've noticed that they do real well. A lot of couples going out to eat, going out to dinner because they got off the next day, or they're work from home. So yeah, at the end of the day, don't discount Thursdays. I think Thursdays are really, really solid. It's not unusual for me to hit $300, $320, $330 on a Thursday. And that's working between, sometimes 9 hours, sometimes 10, 11, 12. But I really don't do a whole lot of 12-hour days. Most of the time I'm doing, 9, maybe 10 and a half with travel door to door, going home. So yeah, Thursdays, I feel like Thursdays are kind of, in my opinion, they're better than Fridays. Now, Friday might be good if you're driving Friday evening, but I don't like to drive past about 8:30, simply because you start to get people who are drunk or have been drinking, and I just don't really feel like dealing with that. I don't feel like dealing with people being jerks. I don't feel like dealing with people being sick. I'm out here to make money. I'm not out here to, basically babysit people. So, Fridays, not all that great. When I drive Friday mornings, I feel like less people are traveling for business. So it's one of those things, the people that you do drive, you're usually taking them to schools. And don't get me wrong, I'll take the young people to schools, the kids to schools when it's a teen account. But schools can be a hit or miss thing, because lots of times you get there and you're stuck in traffic, and what you think is going to be, a 15-minute ride has now turned into a 25, 30-minute ride, because you're stuck in traffic while the parents and the buses and everybody else is dropping off all the rest of the kids. So it's really not that economical. Take that into account when you make your, if you sit down and you actually write up a schedule when you're going to drive. In my opinion, for my market, Fridays really don't get good until at least 2 o'clock. And, sometimes on a Friday, I won't come out until 3:30. And I'll just drive 3 to 8, 3 to 9, and then I call it quits. Because after that, you're picking up drunks, you're picking up people who are already rowdy. Maybe they've been pre-gaming and they're a little bit drunk already. That can be annoying. So yeah, Mondays, awesome days. Tuesdays, awesome days. Wednesdays, hit or miss. Thursdays, really good days. Fridays, hit or miss. Saturdays, usually awesome days. All right, guys and girls, that's about it for this video. Go out there, make some money, and I'll see y'all in the next one. So one thing I wanted to add, I forgot to mention earlier in the video, another reason that I really like driving on Mondays and Tuesdays, with these airport and business travelers, you do tend to get much better tips driving Uber and Lyft when you have business passengers. Lots of these business passengers, they have they have a budget. They don't mind tipping because it's not their money. So when you're taking these people to the airport, or even if you're taking them anywhere, out to dinner, wherever, a lot of these business travelers will tip much better than your regulars, because your regulars, lots of these people, they're just going to work and they have to spend that money going to and from work every single day. If they tip $1, $2, I feel like that's a lot for them, because they're doing this every single day. But these business travelers, they're spending other people's money. So keep that in mind. Try to think of ways that you can really cater to these business travelers. And I think that will help maximize how much money you make, because at the end of the day, tips, they're coming from other people's money, and people tend to be a little bit more generous when it's somebody else's wallet that they're tipping from. So that being said, again, have a great day. Go out there and make a lot of money. It's Friday. I don't know why I'm putzing around here at 12 o'clock, but I am. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Drive safe.